Hello and welcome to this video tutorial showing Teamsite integration with Google Audiences and Experience CDP. As part of OpenText Digital Experience Platform, Teamsite CE 21.4 integrated with the newly launched OpenText Experience CDP, Customer Data Platform, and Google Marketing Audience to improve targeting and omnichannel personalized experiences at scale. This new integration helps organizations collect first-party data by fully utilizing audience information to create more relevant content, communications, and user experiences. Remarketing audiences in Google Analytics is used to re-engage audiences that are likely to convert. Google Audiences share similar concept as Teamsite segments. Moreover, Google Audiences can also work with all the usage data that a website has tracked with Google Analytics. Before we can import Google Audiences, we need to check a couple of settings. Within Teamsite Administration UI, make sure that Experience CDP is set up and validated successfully. This configuration is required since Google Audiences are imported through Experience CDP. Also make sure Client ID is set up within Google Analytics. Switch to Experience Studio and select your site. Make sure Live Site Runtime Server is configured correctly and matches the one used for Google property. Switch to the Basic tab, open Optimization and Analytics, and check Use Google Analytics. To authorize, use your Google account associated with Google Analytics. Select the correct Google property for your site. Notice the property ID. Click Save. Now select Targeting, Segments, and select the External Segment tab. A note to remember: what is called an audience in Google Analytics is referred to as a segment in Teamsite. Select Import Google Audience. Select the site that is connected with Google Analytics property in which the audiences are defined. Select the Google Audiences you would like to import. Click Next. Select the destination folder, then click Import. Note: the important segments or audiences are not copies but links to audiences in Google Analytics. Changes within these audiences in Google Analytics will be reflected in Teamsite. Conversely, if a user deletes Google Audience in Teamsite, the information remains untouched in Google. You need to enable the segment before using it. Hover over the required segment and select Enable Disable. Users can use these external segments just like they use Optimist or native segments. Now go to Sites and open your site. Select your page for editing. Click on the Targeting button in the top right and add a variant. Give it a name. Then link it to the newly added segment and save variant. Now Teamsite users can customize the page variant to target this specific Google audience. As you can see, by this integration with Google Audiences through Experience CDP, Teamsite CE 21.4 enables customers to easily import well-performing Google Audiences and leverage the power of Google Marketing Platform to deliver compelling and relevant digital experiences that re-engage audiences, increase customer retention, and improve conversion rates.